Hello students, this lecture is third lecture. Today topic is PHP loop types. Loops in PHP are used to execute the same block of code a specified number of times. PHP support following four loops types: for loop, while loop, do while loop and for each loop. For loop loops through a block of code a specified number of times. While loops through a block of code if and as long as a specified condition is true. Do while loop loops through a block of code once and then repeats the loop as long as a special condition is true. For each loop loops through a block of code for each element in an array. We will discuss about continue and break keywords used to control the loop execution. The for loop statement. The for loop statement is used when you know how many times you want to execute a statement or a block of statements. Syntax here is simple. For loop. The initializer is used to set the star value for the counter of the number of loop iteration. A variable may be declared here for this purpose and it is traditional to name $sign. Here show the diagram in flow the loop. An example, the following example, make 5 iteration and change the assigned value of 2 variable one each pass of the loop. The while loop statement, this will produce the following result at the end of the loop: a equal to 50 and b equal to 25. The while statement will execute a block of code if and as long as a test expression is true. If the test expression is true, then the code block will be executed. After the code has executed, the test expression will again be evaluated and the loop will continue until the test expression is found to be false. Syntax in here. An example. This example decrement a variable value on each iteration of the loop and the counter increments until it reaches 10 when the evaluation is false and the loop ends. Some codings is shown here. This will be produced the following result: loop stop at I equal to 10 and number equal to 40. The do while loop statement. The do while loop statement will execute a block of code at least once. It then will repeat the loop as long as a condition is true. Syntax shown here. An example. The following example will increment the value of at least once and it will continue incrementing the variable I as long as it has a value of less than 10. Coding in here. This will produce the following result: loop stopped at I equal to 10. The for each loop statement. The for each statement is used to loop through arrays. For each pass, the value of the current array element is assigned to $value and the array pointer is moved by one end in the next pass. Next element will be processed. Syntax in here. Simple syntax. For each array, the array has value and code to be executed. Example in coding. So here the break statement. The PHP break keyword is used to terminate the execution of the loop prematurely The break statement is suited inside the statement block. It gives you full control, and where you want to exit from the loop, you can come out. After coming out of a loop, immediate statement to the loop will be executed. Example, in the following example, condition test become true when the counter value reach 3 and loop terminates. This will be produce the following result: loop stop at least I equal to 3. And so the flow diagram in here, the continue statement, the PHP continue keyword is used to halt the current iteration of a loop, but it does not terminate the loop. Just like the break statement, the continue statement is suited inside the statement block containing the code that the loop executes, preceded by a conditional test for the pass encountering continue statement. Rest of the loop code is skipped and next pass starts. So in here, flow chart diagram in here. Example, in the following example, loop print the value of array, but for which condition become true, it just skip the code and next value is printed. This coding is so in here will be result in following and PHP arrays. An array is a data structure that store one or more similar type of value in a single value. For example, if you want to store 100 numbers, then instead of defining 100 variables, it's easy to define an array of 100 length. There are three different kinds of array, and each array value is accessed using an ID, which is called array index. Numeric array. An array with a numeric index value are stored and accessed in linear fashion. Their array can store number, string, and any object, but their index will be represented by numbers. By default, array index start from 0. Note, built-in array function is given in function reference PHP array function. Example, following is the example showing how to create and access numeric array. Here we have used array function to create array. This function is explained in function reference coding in the below. Associative array. An array with string as index. This store element value in association with key value rather than in a strict linear index order. The associative array are very similar to numeric array in the of functionality, but they are different in terms of their index. Associative array will have their index as string so that you can establish a strong association between key and values. To store the salaries of employee in an array, a numerically indexed array would not be the best choice. Instead, we could use the employee's name as the key in our associative array, and the value would be their respective salary. Note, don't keep associative array inside double quote while printing, otherwise it would not return any value. Example shown here. Multi-dimensional array. An array containing one or more array and value are accessed using multiple indexed. A multi-dimensional array, each element in the main array can also be an array, and each element in the sub-array can be an array, and so on. Value in the multi-dimensional array are accessed using multiple index. example. In this example, we create a two-dimensional array to store marks of the 3 students in 3 subjects. This example is an associative array. You can create numeric array in the same fashion. Coding in here, same HTML coding. This will be produce the following result. Coding in the result in so marks of the Muhammad in physics 35, marks of Qadir in marks 32, marks of Jara in chemistry 39. PHP string. They are sequence of characters like PHP support string operation. Note, built-in string function is given in function reference PHP string function. Following are valid example of a string in here. Singly quotes string are treated almost literally, whereas doubly quote string replace variable with their value as well as especially interpreting certain character sequence. So in some coding, this will be produce the following result. My dollar variable will not print and my name will print. There are no artificial limit on string length within the bound of available memory. You thought to be able to make arbitrarily long string that are delimited by double quote, as in this, are pre-proposed in both the following two way by PHP. Coding is here. So there are no artificial limit on string length within the bound of available memory. You thought be able to make arbitrary or long string. String that are delimited by double quotes as a pre-proposed in both of the following two way PHP. First, certain character sequence being with backslash are replaced with special characters, and second, variable name string with dollar are replaced with string representation of the value. The escape sequence represent are in here. Sub above the described in this escape to be continued and next lecture and next topic, next video.